In the fourth part of our seminar, we're going to be looking at two theorems. They're very similar. They're the congruent supplements theorem and the congruent complements theorem. Let's start with the congruent supplements theorem. What it says, if you have two angles, like angle 1 and angle 3, and they're both supplementary to the same angle or congruent angles, then those two angles, angle 1 and angle 3, would have to be the same. Numerically, hopefully this makes sense. Let's say angle 1 is 80 degrees and angle 2 is 100 degrees. Well, if angle 3 is supplementary to angle 2, that's 80 degrees. Now, that's not a proof. That's just showing you an example. I've got the proof written in the next box below. And the congruent complements theorem is the same thing. That it says, hey, if you got two angles that are complementary to the same angle, those two angles are congruent. Here's the proof of it. And it's pretty much what we just did with numbers, except we generalized it. We know angle 1 and angle 2 are supplementary, and we know angle 2 and angle 3 are supplementary. So by the definition of supplementary angles, we know they add to 180. Well, since they both add to 180, we can use the substitution. Instead of writing 180, we're going to write what equals 180, which is 2 plus 3. Then notice there's the angle 2 on both sides of the equal sign. So we subtract that from both sides, and you get angle 1 is equal to angle 3, and then use the definition of congruent angles to get it back to a congruent sign.